Halo Mini on a 2021 Evoque. This one's a manual, so if a thief got this key after you exit the vehicle, they get in, try to start it, nothing's going to happen. So they've got the key here, obviously the car's not turning on, nothing's happening, foot on the brake and clutch, vehicle's just not powering up. So we'll put the code in that we've set for the customer. If you watch the full beam, 1, 2, 3, we get a flash, foot on the brake, start the car, fires up and we can drive away. So we'll just turn it off. As soon as you leave the vehicle, we get 2 flashes and it's active instantly. So if someone pulled you out the car, once you turn it off, they grabbed your key, they're not going to be able to start it. Okay, so we'll just foot off the brake, put our code in, get a flash and start. This has to go back to Range Rover to be serviced. What you'll do, once you've disarmed it, you'll turn the ignition on, pop your code in, and on the last press you'll hold it, holding it, and you'll see from the full beam we're going to get 5 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can now let go, turn the vehicle off. When we leave, you're obviously going to see no flashing. It's a normal vehicle, it's going to start up straight away. No need for a code. Obviously, while it's in Range Rover, you just want it to be turned off completely, nice and simple. Don't want them to know anything's fitted. When you get it back, you keep your foot off the brake and the clutch on this vehicle, turn the ignition on, pop your code in again, and on the last one, hold just as you did before. If we keep watching, we get 1 flash from the full beam. That turns the system back on. So we open the door, 1 flash, system's active again. Okay, start it up, not going to start. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. As you've seen, if someone gets this key, the car's not going to do anything. They need the code for it to start. This is the Halo Mini on a 2021 Evoque. This one's manual. Give us a call to secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.